welcome back to Kids Fun Learn Club, and we are doing the 6 minutes 100 days drawing challenge and episode number 77.
What are we going to draw today?
We are going to draw Poppy the doll.
Poppy the doll from Poppy Playtime. So what are we going to learn is how to draw the Poppy doll. Yeah. Let's
From
get
chapter 2.
Okay. And let me tell you that if you stay with us till the end of the video, hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment below of what you want us to draw next, or what you like about the video, or what you do not like about the video. You and your profile can get featured in our next videos. See ya.
See you.
Yeah.
Why see you?
Yeah.
Yes, is the drawing over?
Let's get started. So we need a white black sketch pen, a white paper.
Yeah, this is going to be a little difficult drawing.
Yes, so we'll be doing it slowly for you. So we start with the eyes, okay?
Yeah.
I'll show you. Just follow me. We make over here. Let me do it. Yeah. Okay, it's easy till now. It will be as easy if you just follow me. You'll find it very easy till the end of the video. Let's make the eyebrows. Okay, the nose. So easy. The lips like this. And like this. That's all. Okay. Now what do is we have to make the face. Okay, so we have to be very careful about the face. What do is let me show you what we do. We start from this, so that way we would get the center of the head. Okay. Make a round. Easy until now? Now this is gonna be a little tricky, since it's the most tricky part of the face. Looks a little, should have come here. Okay, until here. Now let's make the body. Yeah. The legs.
You can only see her shoes.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we make the minute things of her dress.
Wait.
Easy. Very easy until now. It is gonna be very, very, very easy. Now the ribbon.
Can you please can you? I can't understand this.
What part did you not understand?
The ribbons.
That's very easy to make. Make it like a butterfly. See, you need to make it like this, like a bow and a ribbon. That's all. Now yeah.
This is also gonna be a okay coloring. Please wait.
Okay, I will go ahead. Okay, so easy until now.
Yep.
Now the hands. Again, very easy. Even the fingers are easy to make because of the direction she is standing in. We don't even need to make the fingers. That's all. Now the neck and her bow. That's there. See, you make a circle like this. Yeah. Now the ponytails.
Well, until now, she's looking like normal human.
Yes, but this will make it look like Poppy.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this one.
With the ponytails.
Wow, we are done. Now let's quickly
Color it.
get it colored. Start with the red color, but it should start with some other color.
No, I'll not.
Do you have the red color? Excellent. Okay, now what color do we use for the dress? The sky blue color? Don't have an option, right?
Oh, I got the perfect blue.
Okay, you can color it with that. Now that I have already started, I'll finish it with this one. Now we use the royal blue. Okay, so I'm done with the drawing of Poppy doll. This was very easy, very simple step-by-step drawing of the Poppy doll. By the time Parikshit finishes his drawing, if you have been following us, if you have been doing the drawing with us, do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Red Kids Fun Run Club to win some exciting goodies and surprises from Parikshit and Kids Fun Run Club. Let's wait for Parikshit to get done with his drawing. This was episode number 77 of the 6 minutes 100 days challenge. And if you have been with us till now, you have been watching the video, you have been trying to draw with us, do not forget to hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment below to get featured on in our next video. Yeah, you need to add a comment of what did you like about the drawing, what you did not like about the drawing, and what you want us to draw next.
Draw.
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 Draw next. Yeah.
I said draw.
Yes.
It's draw.
Yes.
Draw.
Okay. Done? Excellent. See you in the next video. Have a great and a wonderful day.
Yes,
Bye bye.